Can we do it then?
Imagine this. A drone is hundreds of feet in the air carrying out an important mission. Everything is going smoothly. And suddenly, the signal is lost. What happens next? Does the drone fall from the sky? Does it disappear completely? Not quite. Modern drone operations are designed with safety systems that help manage situations like these. When a drone loses connection with the remote controller, it doesn't simply stop flying. Depending on the mission setup and system configuration, the drone may enter a predefined safety mode. One common response is return to home. In this mode, the drone attempts to return to its takeoff location using its navigation systems. In other situations, the drone may hover temporarily while trying to re-establish communication before following a programmed safety procedure. That's why signal management is an important part of every mission. Before takeoff, operators assess the environment, potential interference sources, flight routes, and communication reliability. Organizations such as Garuda Aerospace follow structured operational workflows that include safety planning and risk assessment before every deployment. Because in professional drone operations, it's not just about what happens during a flight, it's also about being prepared for situations that may occur along the way. And sometimes, the smartest part of a drone mission is the plan for what happens when things don't go exactly as expected.